Alright, day 3. We just descended down those things.
I do not know how we get these canoes back in the water.
It's not easy. But we had a full English breakfast, so should be fueled up. We're ready to head down there.
Can you tell how much energy we've got from our voices?
This is... It's a sad, sad situation.
Try and follow that track.
Yeah, gonna turn left a little bit once we get to it. Just there.
Maybe a speedboat. This is some Formula 1 shit we're about to do.
Okay, let's go. We're difficult to read. Where the hell has this weather come from? Oh my god. What the hell? Look at these coming in. Wow. Yeah. So quiet.
Yeah.
God, you actually can't hear anything.
Dead silent.
That's nice. Very rare you get that these days in the UK. Find out where to go, because they just said you can't go down there, but it looks like a massive chunk of river, so I'm a bit confused.
Well, it all goes to the same place. We could tuck in there, like that, or we could just go down.
Let's just do the adventurous route. There's a big rock there. Flicking. Not good, not good. Nice. Power! Maybe that's the one they were talking about. Yeah, definitely. Just needs sort of... Oh my goodness. Describe that stretch, Ben.
Oh, that was tough, man. That was tough. As tough as it's got so far.
That was against the wind,
that was rough.
against the current,
That was pure,
against the fishermen.
pure brute willpower that goes down.
Everywhere. Been fishing all our lives and hard times everywhere. Come on! Times, fishermen! Right, Pete, when you see this video, the level of disrespect Ben has just shown to the fisherman's friends is absolutely disgusting. I've just put some of the best shanties in the world on, and he's just put a headphone in his ear. Times, fisherman, he doesn't want to know.
The only thing which is keeping me right now.
Hard times everywhere. What more motivation could you want than a good shanty? Yeah. We're bound for South Australia. Oh, we're rolling pin. Either way, all the way. We're bound for South Australia. Greased me mind. This is a dark, dark time. Imagine if we weren't sat on the life jackets. Nothing left. Oh, the wind's been. I've got nothing left. When that guy went past us earlier. Alright? No, not really.
My aching bones. My aching bones. Follow it round to the right.
Yeah, got you.
Keep following this on the right hand side. There is a legit stream on the right hand side.
Yeah.
Keep following.
But there's no beaches. Well, there was a perfectly good beach, which Ben turned down.
Yeah, because he told us so. That's our mistake.
And now, this is it for the rest of our lives.
We are tired. That was rough.
That was so rough.
That was a long
That was hours.
session. Oh wow.
God, it feels so good to walk. Sail away, ladies, sail away. Oh, Ben, sit down. I've got your flip flop.
You've got it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring us back.
Your flip flop is teetering on the edge.
Put my leg back.
But take it close to the shore. Right. I'm gonna paddle forward, alright?
Yeah.
No.
Alright, eat it out. Eat it out.
Okay, let's go. This looks shallow too. Left, yeah. Here we are, we're coming into Ross. This has without doubt been the most strenuous day of paddling. Against the wind, against the current. Just knackered. That pub up there looks really nice in front of the church. There's outdoor seating. Oh, we made it. Well done. My knees are pretty destroyed.
My knees bad as well.
Here we are in Ross. We made it after a slugfest on the river. Now heading back down to go to sleep, and it's about 6:30.
Sleep till 8:30 in the morning tomorrow, probably.
Cheers. Or not.